The waltz is a trendy ballroom dance that evolved from the Ländler in the 18th century. Characterized by a step, slide, and step in 3/4 time, the waltz, with its turning, embracing couples, at first shocked polite society. However, it became the ballroom dance par excellence of the 19th century, and tenaciously maintained its popularity in the 20th. Some people consider the waltz to be the backbone of many ballroom dances, as many of our favorite dances today incorporate familiar moves from the waltz. The waltz is a ballroom dance performed in triple time, usually in closed form, by a couple who turns rhythmically around the dance floor in an elegant motion. Going back to the dance's origins, the waltz got its name from the word waltzen, which means to turn in German. What are the differences between the types of waltzes? Because the waltz inspired so many ballroom dances we perform today, it comes as no surprise that there are multiple types of waltzes. Here are 3 types. 1. Viennese waltz. The Viennese waltz is much quicker than other waltz styles. It is danced to music with a tempo of around 200 beats per minute. Because this dance is fast, there is less rise and fall and less sway than in other dance versions. 2. International waltz. One main thing to remember about the international waltz is that you are using closed position only. Similar to the main distinguishment between American and international ballroom dance. It is the most common form of the waltz for dance competitions because it is so standardized, making it easier to judge. 3. American waltz. The American waltz is one of the most popular forms of social dancing in the US, using all kinds of positions. For example, the promenade, the outside partner, closed and shadow position. The American waltz allowed for various patterns and movements. You'll see this style at American style dance sport competitions. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more dance tips, subscribe to the channel.